I just discovered a secret AI YouTube niche that's quietly getting millions of views and printing money on YouTube right now. And most people have no idea it even exists. And the crazy part, you can create these videos using completely free AI tools with almost no editing. Take this channel, for example, Mr. English Channel. It started only 6 months ago, and it has already grown to over 1 million subscribers. That's insane growth for such a short time. And according to vidIQ, this channel could be making anywhere between $16,000 and $48,000 per month. They create simple podcast-style English learning videos just like this.
You look very happy today.
I am very happy. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh yes, it's a very good topic. Very important.
Guess what? Their top video alone has over 4 million views. But here's the part that surprised me the most. These videos don't require hundreds of images. They don't require any editing skills. Why do you even think this niche is blowing up? English is the most spoken language in the world. Millions of people are searching every single day for ways to learn English faster, which means the demand for this content is massive. And the best part, this niche is completely evergreen. People will always want to learn English. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos from scratch. We'll cover how to find viral titles, how to create eye-catching thumbnails, and how to produce the entire video step by step using free AI tools. Sounds interesting? All right, let's get started. We'll start with the first step, your title. This part is crucial. If your title is weak, it doesn't matter how great your video is, it's very unlikely to go viral. Your title needs to include 3 key things. First, tell people exactly what they're going to get from the video. Second, create curiosity so they feel compelled to click. And third, keep it under 55 characters so it doesn't get cut off on mobile. Now, instead of trying to brainstorm the title on your own, I use a prompt that generates proven viral title options for me. You can grab that prompt along with the rest of the prompts I'll be using throughout this video. The link is in the description. Once you copy the title prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and click send. In seconds, you'll get a full list of title ideas. From there, just pick any one you like and start with that. Now that we've got our title, let's create the thumbnail. This is where most people mess up. They guess what may work instead of using what already works. So instead of guessing, what I do is find a competitor video in this niche, look for a thumbnail that matches my title, and save it as a reference. Then I come back to ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs, and in the search box, type this, Image Recreation Pro. Click on it and start a chat. Upload the thumbnail sample and click Send. It will generate this JSON prompt. I'll copy the prompt, go to Whisk AI, paste the prompt, and then click the send arrow. And just like that, it generates a super catchy thumbnail for me in seconds. Now, if you want to make changes, you can simply click Refine. When you click that, it brings you here where you can edit anything you want. For example, I'll type, change the text easy conversation to daily conversation, and hit send. And just like that, you can see the text update instantly. You can also change or remove elements. For instance, I'll type, change the woman in yellow to a man. And boom, it generates a brand new thumbnail that looks exactly how I want it. You can also use Google Gemini. Just click this icon to select Generate Image Pro, come over here, paste the same JSON prompt, and click send. Within seconds, it creates another version eye-catching thumbnail for us. So instead of spending hours designing thumbnails from scratch, you're using proven thumbnail structures that already have millions of views behind them. And if you want to tweak anything, you can simply type here and edit it however you like. If you don't know how to access Google Gemini Pro for free, you can check out the video right up here. Now, once your title and thumbnail are ready, we move on to step 3. Scripting. You need consistent content that follows the same viral DNA. And no, you can't just guess what goes viral in this niche. There's actually a clear pattern behind what goes viral in this niche. The videos that perform best focus on topics that solve real problems and call out common mistakes people make. All you need to do is come over to this script prompt, then take the exact title you plan to use for your video, paste it into the topic section, and let ChatGPT handle the rest. That's it. No need to overthink the structure or the tone. The prompt is already designed to format everything as a natural conversation between two hosts written specifically for English learning content. All right, now it's time to bring this script to life with AI voices. And honestly, this is the make or break moment. If your voices sound robotic, people will click away almost instantly, or they simply won't stick around long enough to watch the video. I'll use Google AI Studio for the voiceover. Click on Text to Speech, then select Gemini 2.5 Pro. This brings us to this interface. Here, I'll leave it on multi-speaker and scroll down. For speaker 1, I'll delete the default name and replace it with my first speaker, David, then select a suitable voice that fits. For speaker 2, I'll do the same thing. Change the name to Alice, and then choose my preferred voice for her as well. Next, come over here and click Add Dialogue. The first name, David, appears, so go back to ChatGPT, copy David's first part of the conversation, and paste it here. Click Add Dialogue again, and the second speaker, Alice, appears. Now copy her dialogue and paste it here. Continue this same process, copying and pasting the dialogue until you reach the end of the script. Once you're done, click Run, and it will start generating the audio. When the generation is complete, click the three-dot icon and download the file to your computer. And for the image, you only need one image. Go back to the prompt script under Image Prompt. Where it says Channel Name, simply enter the name of your channel. Then copy the image prompt and paste it into Whisk or any image generation software and click Send. And boom, your image is ready. Finally, let's bring everything together. I'll be using CapCut for this. Open CapCut, click New Video, then select the image we just generated and click Add to place it on the timeline. Next, go to Audio and import the audio file. Once it's added, extend the image on the timeline so it matches the full length of the audio. Now, click on Stickers, choose any sound wave animation you like, and add it to the timeline. This animation visually reacts to the audio as people speak. You can resize, adjust, and position it anywhere on the screen to match your preferred layout. Next, click on Text, then select Auto Captions and click Generate. CapCut will automatically create captions for your video. After that, go to Style and choose the text option with the black background to give your captions better contrast and make them easier to read. If you'd like, you can also add some background music, but that's completely optional. Once everything looks good, click Export. Here's a preview of our finished video.
Hello, everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome back.
Welcome to our English practice channel.
Today we have a very useful topic.
Yes, very useful for daily life.
Today we will talk about how to order food in English at a restaurant.
Yes, ordering food in English.
Before we start, please take 1 second to help us.
Subscribe to the channel and like this video.
It really helps the channel grow.
All right, Alice, let's go.
Let's go to the restaurant.
Alice, imagine this.
Okay.
We walk into a restaurant.
Yes.
I'm already hungry.
Yes, me too. Very hungry.
Yes, my stomach is saying,
Feed me.
So the waiter comes to our table.
And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'd be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.